Xiong here is Thailand about Dingtalk, so before we start, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Today, we would like to discuss this AI table.
We will continue using the formula field. Today, we are using to learn how to use a formula field to combine different text contents together. For example, we can combine review ID and review type into a new display content. So later, when we view the records, we do not need to check two fields separately. The system will directly combine them into one complete content. In this way, we can quickly know the records number and also know which review type it belongs to. Whether we are viewing records or organizing data later, the content will be clearer and easier to understand. First, we come to AI table. For today's demonstrations, we will still using the review table. The two fields we will use today are review ID and review type. Today, we will use a formula to combine review ID and review type into a new text content. Next, click Add Field on the right side, scroll down and find Formula. Click on it, add a title for it. Here, I will enter Review Summary. This means the field is mainly used to show the combined review information. Next, click Edit Formula. After entering the formula editor, we can see that the left side shows the field in the current data table. For example, review ID, review type, and more. This field can be referenced in the formula, so the system can calculate, judge, or process text content based on the content inside the field. Beside the fields in the data table, there are also many formulas provided by the system below for us to refer and to use. These formulas are divided into 9 types. For example, logical formulas are mainly used for conditions checking. Information formulas are mainly used to check the status of a field. Dates and time formulas are mainly used to handle date and time. Text formulas are mainly used to process text content. Math and trigonometry formulas are mainly used for mathematical calculations. Engineering formulas are mainly used for technical calculations. Statistical formulas are mainly used for data statistics. Financial formulas are mainly used to handle amounts, interest, or finance-related calculations. LDAR formulas are mainly used to handle some special data operations. So when we are not sure which formulas to use, we can slowly look for it from the categories on the left. When we click a formula, the right side will show the example and description of the formula. This helps us understand faster what the formula is used for. We can also refer to the example provided by the system, then adjust it based on our on-table content. Today, we will use the concat formula under the text formulas categories. Concat is mainly used to combine different text contents together. For example, we can combine review ID and review type into a new text display. So later, when we view the records, the content will be more complete and clearer. Let's click it. After clicking it, the formula format will appear in the formula editor above. The left side will show the example and explanations of the concat formula. Next, we can put the fields that we want to combine into the formula. Here, I want to combine review ID and review types. We can click the existing fields on the left to add them into the formula. After clicking all the fields, we can first check the preview result below. Here, the system will use the first record to preview the result calculated by the formula. For example, now we can see that review ID and review type has already been combined together. Besides that, if we are not sure whether the formula is written correctly or if we want to understand more, we can also click Explain beside it. The system will help us explain what this formula means. It will also remind us of something that we need to pay attention to. For example, here it reminds us that the concat formula will not automatically add space or separators. So if we want the result to be clearer, we can add space or other suitable separators by ourselves. Now let me complete the formula. After complete, we can preview the result again. If everything looks fine, click Save. Lastly, we can also add a field description for it too. After complete, click Save again. Now we can see that the new formula fields has been successfully added in AI table. This field will automatically combine the content from review ID and review type into a new text display. For example, for this record, the review ID is RV001 and the review type is final review. So the system will display. If we modify review ID or review types later, the review summary fields will also update automatically. This function is very useful in actual work. Sometimes we do not only want to look at one field separately. Instead, we may want to combine a few important pieces of content together into a more complete display. For example, record number with types, customer name with order number, or project names with person in charge. In this way, when we view the records, search for data, or organize report, the content will be more clearer. So through this formula, we can quickly combine the contents from different fields together. It reduces manual copy and paste and also make the data looks more organized. Alright, that's all for today's tutorials on using formulas in AI table to combine text content. Pretty simple, right? Let's try. So if you like our tutorial video, please click like and share. Last but not least, ABCD just in one. See you next time. Bye!